Combining advanced stealth technology with fighter agility, the F-35 Lightning II is the world's premier fifth-generation fighter, enabling air superiority against today's most advanced threats. Founded on BAE Systems' legacy in electronic warfare, or EW, the AN/ASQ-239 is an advanced, proven, and cost-effective EW suite which protects the F-35. This fully integrated digital system is equipped with offensive and defensive EW options, radar warning, targeting support, and self-protection. Combining three system functions, this single suite provides pilots with maximum situational awareness by identifying, monitoring, analyzing, and countering current and emerging threats. Advanced avionics and sensors provide a real-time 360-degree view of the battle space. Always active, the AN/ASQ-239 provides all-aspect broadband protection, allowing the F-35 to reach well-defended targets and suppress enemy radars. This platform-level solution delivers improved reliability and maintainability and reduces lifecycle costs. The suite is architected to add advanced EW capabilities to keep the aircraft fielded now and into the future. With ASQ-239 already in production, BAE Systems is well positioned with the infrastructure for high-volume production and sustainment. This system improves the survivability and lethality of the F-35 to protect our warfighters now and into the future.